Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now we are going to discuss about the hardware text systems. In the previous sessions I discussed regarding the software text search algorithms of information retrieval systems and as well as introduction to hardware text systems. What is the role of hardware text systems? How they are going to be used to extract the text from the relevant information database. All these things we have seen in our previous sessions. So already we have discussed two of the hardware text systems. One is GE scan text array, DE scan text processor, text array processor, and the second one is fast data finder, that is called as FDF. Okay, so these two are the mainly used hardware text set systems in information retrieval systems. Already we have completed GE scan text array processor. Now we are going to discuss the fast data finder. Okay, so what is the use of this fast data finder? How it is going to extract the text whatever we want? All these things now we are going to see. Okay, fast data finder is often regarded as the most specialized hardware text search algorithms among all the algorithms whatever we considered so far. So it is considered as the one of the best one. Okay, and one also considered as the most recent specialized hardware system this is. Okay, and mainly used to develop not only for English but also for the various kinds of foreign languages. This was developed, and it contains some set of the series of the cells forming a pipelining hardware search processor. This fast data finder having some kind of the cells are there. These cells are series of the cells which are used to extract the text, and these contain some set of the array of programmable text processing cells. How these cells will work now we are going to see. Okay, actually, these cells are implemented on very large scale integration chip, and each and every cell comparator is checked for a single character, and there is a limit for total number of the characters, and the interconnection among the cells will be there, and 8-bit data and 20-bit data control path will be used for text search and as well as text comparator, and whatever search you are going to search is pass it through a pipeline fashion until the complete database has been searched. So it is going to implement a pipeline fashion. The cells are arranged in the form of a pipeline fashion. So the cell interconnected cells choose the path of 8-bit data path and as well as the 20-bit data path here. So we have to remember the data paths chosen for the cells are 8-bit data path and 20-bit control path, and the cells are made upon the VLSI chip, and each cell is a comparator for a single character, and it limits the total number of the characters also. Okay, so each text to be passed in the pipeline fashion until the complete database has to be searched. Let us see in this particular diagram we are having, this is the cell comparator one. These are cells actually. Okay, so how these cells are arranged now we are going to see here. Okay, so now these cells are made up of C and R, often regarded here as R is nothing but a register cell and C is the comparator cell. All these are the cells actually. These are arranged in a pipeline manner. Okay, so it is a microprocessor memory, and database is directly connected to the microprocessor memory with the host workstation. This entire diagram is often regarded as what, as a fast data finder architecture. So this fast data finder architecture, all the cells are arranged in a pipeline manner, in a parallel pipeline manner. So these C1 C2 are the cells, and R1 R2 are register cells. Okay, so the C1 C2 are called as comparator cells and R1 R2 are called as register cells. They can exchange the information, they can check the information, they can search the information, okay, by using these cells. Next, a cell is composed of both register cells and as well as the comparator cell. See here, C is there and as R and as well as R is also there. This is completely called a cell which contain the comparator and as well as the register. The input from the document database is which is chosen, that can be controlled and put into the buffer by this microprocessors. Okay, so normally these search characters are stored in the register cells. Okay. Whatever connection is there between the registers, among the registers, that reflects the control lines that are also passing the state information. So the connection among the registers reflects the control lines that are also passing the state information. So whatever information they have extracted, that will be stored in the registers. Okay. So a cell is a combination of a comparator and as well as a register, like this here we have seen. Okay. So like this, these are stored in the serial manner. Whatever data extracted, that can be stored in the registers, and the data can be extracted from the database, that can be stored in the register, and that will transfer to the host workstation, like this the fast data finder will contain some set of the cells connected in the serial manner. These cells are made up of VLSI chips, and they use some 8-bit data path and as well as 20-bit data path. In the pipeline fashion, they are going to search the cells. Okay, search the information from the database, and these are considered as the one of the sophisticated of all the other hardware text search systems. So this concludes your fast data finder. The hardware text, one of the most advanced hardware text search systems that are going to be used. Okay, so this is nothing but fast data finder. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, Intelligible Tutorials, and share all my videos, watch all my videos relevant to our computer science subjects. Okay, so thank you for watching.